Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a Eagle. So what is this a Eagle? It's like a multi-threaded plugin based on a vulnerability scanner for a mass detection of web-based application vulnerabilities. So this project is a plugin-based vulnerability scanner with threading support used a detect of low-hanging bugs on mass scale. So what are the main features we can get here? The main features we can get here are CRLF and sensitive files like git and info.php and subdomain takeover, anonymous FTP login, S3 buckets misconfiguration including like automatic takeover and upload, HTTP request smuggling, file-based database misconfiguration, sensitive informations like API keys, secret keys including like JavaScript files and HTML pages, missing SPF records, path traversal, and we can also utilize a PHP CGI vulnerabilities and shell shock vulnerabilities, structs remote code execution, web logic remote code execution, Confluence local file inclusion, Ruby for Rails, it's also for a local file inclusion. These are all have a CVEs are inbuilt for this targeted tool. Then Apache HTTP mode rewriter. Then this will detect like access detection, SSRF attacks, platform detection, platform based attack, automatic logic brute force, automatic directory brute force, parameter gathering and fuzzing, detecting error messages, ability to select a plugin and automatic updates, and port scanning and service detection also. It can be done. Now, let's we would like to look first open the terminal. Now once you open the terminal, let's just come back here. Let's copy this tool. Now let's come back here. We just type it as a git clone and paste this report. So it was cloned. Now we would like to go to the directory. Now just type it as ls-a. Now we would like to install the virtual environment. Now just type it as pip3 install -r requirements.txt. Let's we would like to install the requirements first. Now once this is done, now just type it as ls-a. Now we have here only a Python. Now just type it as a Python3 main.python. Just put here as --help where we have got it here. Now let's we would like to write all targeted domain lists in our file list. We would like to try here as, let me just type here as clear. Now let's just put here as nano domains.txt. Now I just put here as, I would like to put here as some domains for testing, google.com, hacker1, Ponte, cdf.org, now I would like to write a some targeted website. Now let me, it's okay. Now it's enough. Let's we have done here all the requirements. Now let's I would like to try, look here. First, I would like to try to ping. First, I would like to go for as file as uh, domains.txt. Then I would like to go for as a ping. We would like to look here. Uh, where only checking live is logging. It was a fail to get here. Okay, one. It's like a multi-purpose vulnerability scanner is a engine. Let me just type it as clear. Now, without a ping, let's try this. Now, checking a live targets and performing in memory saved for online targets. We would like to try this. We didn't get, I think we would like to try to remove this. I would like to put here mousepad domains.txt. I don't want to go with this HTTPS. Let's see. Now this is done. Now let's try to go here. Let's see. Now it was a pinging. Now you can look here everything. The Coinbase. It is not getting us a ping. So this is have one drawback only with the Coinbase. So sometimes you no need to mention with HTTPS. This will automatically can take with HTTPS. Okay, now that's great. Now we would like to try with domains.txt. Now uh, what this will check the domains. Let's see. So we need to wait for this here as a result. Then we can go further. So we can look here where I have got it with as S3 buckets with Amazon.com. Where you can look here, plugging a sensitive information of spider host with the vulner web. It is with the pxs with the S3 Amazon.com and debug page on line 2, where it will try to print all the results here. We need to wait a long and lengthy time process also here. Now, if you want to check that S3 buckets, now plug in a sensitive information of spider host try hack me, misses its debug page, online is 0. I just copy this one. Now let's come back. I would like to try to visit this. You can look here. Access is denied. You need to try to write an XML exploit to exploit this targeted website. Now, where you can look here, uh, you can look here. Uh, this Google use a Twilio, okay, where I have got Twilio API key and secret key. You can look here or from a Google where we have got here. I would like to look here. Post a google.com message a Tilo SID, and this is all SID, and this is a secret code where you can utilize in your own place for this one. Now, you can look here where a plugin for a sensitive information for a spider, post with the hackerone.com, message with a Google API. We have got it here, the Google API. Where we would like to utilize a Google API. If you don't know, you can ask a Google. Let's go here as google.com. So it will automatically can scan everything. Now, for a crypto.com, where the data base is available in the crypto.firebase, where they have put as a plugin for a Firebase. Crypto.firebase.com. You can look here a lot of things. So it may take a more lengthy time process to extract all the information. Now you can look here where this ctf.org with a lot of API keys which is presented for you. That's it. So you need to try your own. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.